I just want to show you how to make a homemade helicopter that can fly and go on top. First of all, you must have enough equipment to make sure your helicopter can manage to fly. This is a piece of toy helicopter. This is very heavy with the wings intact inside. First of all, you remove the wings inside. You make it light so that even the time you're going to put your motor on top, the helicopter will fly. You come with a piece of motor. This is a piece of motor. This one you can get it from CD drivers. This is a CD driver from computer. This is a computer. I mean, it's CPU. You get one. It has so many motors inside. This is a new one that is not dismantled. After getting yourself a motor, you join two wires on this motor. You weld your wire using your gun. This is a gun. I'm going to use this to weld my wires. That. First of all, you make sure your gun is clean. The head of the gun is clean so that even the time you're going to weld your wire, it won't give you hard time to join it. Like that. See? Like that. You take a piece of solder wire. This is a solder wire like that. Then you put a piece of it on top of your motor like that. Like that. Then you take your piece of wire. You put also like that, so that when you are trying to join your motor to give you an easier job, like that. You see, like that. Now I have joined my motor with two pieces of wire. Then you press this motor on top of this helicopter. You can see here is a flat. This one I have cut some pieces on top to make it flat like this. You put your wires here like that to go down, so that it can easier your job when you're coming to make it fly. Like that. Like that. You make it. It's a simple job. I'm telling you, if you follow me, I'm sure your helicopter will fly. Then after doing that, you use the glue stick to fix your motor on top of it. This is a piece of glue stick I'm talking about. This is a glue stick. You put some on top of this, like that, to make the motor firm, so that when the helicopter, the propeller will start rotating, it will be firm. It is very, very, very firm. Like that. Like that. You can see now we have placed the motor on top of it. Like that. Now the thing is very firm. Very firm. Indeed, it's very firm. Like that. After doing that, you come up with the two pieces of plastic. This you can get it from the jerrycan, the normal jerrycan you used to buy fuel, paraffin, like that, or the one come with the 4-liter oil, like that. You put your piece of plastic on top of this. This produces a propeller so that it can rotate and make this thing move up. You press your propeller on top like that. Like that. You put it on top like that. Like that. You can see. You can see now it's rotating like that. Then you stick the other piece so that it can make a good propeller, a strong propeller. You use the same glue stick that I have used there before to mount this on top of it, so that by the time you put your propeller, everything will be okay. Like that, like that. You make sure the glue stick is soft so that you can join. You can join the two pieces like that. So easier like that. You can add some like this to make it firm. You can add some to make it firm like that. Just to make it firm like this. You add some to make it firm like that. You're trying to make your propeller very strong so that when it starts rotating, it will be firm like that. After that, now you test whether your motor is rotating. How will we test our motor? Use small betting, AAA. There's AAA, there's AA betting. You can use this to test whether your motor is rotating, so that we can do the job. We test whether our motor is rotating. You can see our motor is rotating very nice, very nice. But it needs more speed. For this thing to come up, it needs more speed. You can use a big battery like more than this, and with more power, so that the propeller can rotate with a high speed, because we need much speed for this thing to go on top. As I'm going to show you the way you use the more speed to make this thing rotate, and also I'm going to show how you to put behind propeller so that you can balance your helicopter, because you need to balance your helicopter to make it move nicely. Join me as follow me as I'm going to show you next how I'm going to make this helicopter move up. Join me as I'm going to show you with the big battery more than this. I'm going to put more wire so that I can make this thing fly more easier. Follow me on YouTube. Cheers, friends. Follow me, see me. My name is Pilot. I'm going to make you fly high. Nice.